of my intro video for multiplying cells, the multiplying cells test we're doing in class. All right, the next question will ask, how many cells will be in the dish after 3 hours? All right, let's follow those 3 steps that I said in the previous video. So we're going to convert hours to minutes. We're going to do 3 times 60, and that will give me 180 minutes. All right? The word problem said that the cells divide into 2 after 10 minutes. So I'm going to do 180 divided by 10. And when I do that, I get 18. That's the number I'm going to raise to the power of 2. So when I do 2 to the power of 18 in the calculator, it will equal 262,144 cells. And that's it. Let's try another example. What did they say? 4 hours. All right. We'll take that 4, multiply it times 60. And that will give me 240 minutes. Since the cells are dividing after every 10 minutes, I'm going to do 240 divided by 10. And that will give me 24. And that's the number I'm going to raise to the power of 2. So 2 to the power of 24 gives me, this big number. 16,777,216 cells. And that's it. Now, let's flip the script a little bit. What did they ask? How long will it take for the number of cells to reach at least 200,000? So this is what they're saying. How long will it take? So that's what you're looking for it to reach at least, not equal to, at least, whoa, you see what I did there? At least 200,000. Now, of course, right now, for the sake of what you've learned so far, you can plug in numbers for that exponent to see what's going to give you at least 200,000 cells. Well, hold on, wait a minute. Let's go back for a second. When we found how many cells we were going to have in the dish after 3 hours, we had 262,144 cells. That's at least 200,000 cells. So we kind of already have our answer here. It was 18, but now let's make sense out of that. So if this is going to be 18, and they're asking how long it will take, well, we got to make sense of that 18. So I'm going to take the 18, multiply it times 10, because we're doing every 10 minutes is when the cells divided, and it gave me 180. So therefore, my answer will be 180 minutes. And that's it.